Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to create jump link in HTML. Jump link is a link which will take you to a certain section of a page upon click. As you can see, I've already opened a web page in front of me, and at the top there are a couple of links, and there are certain sections. You can see main, features, pricing, review, and contact. So if I'll click on this features, it will take me to feature section. If I'll click on reviews, it will take me to reviews. If I'll click on pricing, it will take me to pricing. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet, which is style.css. Let's create a nav element here. Inside this, I will have a couple of anchor elements. Just replace this with hash. Let's put main here. Just copy and paste it 4 times. Let's make it features, pricing, reviews, and contact. Let's create sections here. So we'll utilize the div element, and here we'll give it a class of container. Also we'll have one ID here that will be main. I just copy and paste it 4 times. It will be features, pricing, reviews, and contact. Same logic goes here. We'll update the IDs. So make it contact. This will be reviews. This will be pricing and features. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Select body element. Background color will be this. Select nav element. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Font size will be 20 pixels. And gap will be 30 pixels. Select the container class. Margin top will be 10 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Align items will be center. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Height will be 300 pixels. And font size will be 25 pixels. Select anchor element, give it a color of white. Save it. Let's open this file in the browser to see the output. Now when you will click on these links, nothing will happen. So let's go to HTML file first. So to jump to a certain section, we need to provide an ID here next to the hash. For example, to go to the main section, we need to type hash main here, which is the ID of this section. Same goes for features, pricing, and reviews, also contact. So these IDs should match here with the link, okay? And make sure you prefix this with hash symbol. So that's all what you have to do to create a jump link. Now just save it, go to browser. Let's click on this reviews. So we're getting review section. Let's click on features. So we are getting features. Let's try with pricing. So we are getting pricing. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.